Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be talking about the Russian vaccine, that is Sputnik V, and the topics related to it, like who will be producing this vaccine in India, what will be the prices, is it approved by WHO, and what are its side effects. So without any further delay, let's get started. So let us first talk about the consignments which we have received so far from Russia. So we received our first consignment on 1st of May, which was of 1.5 lakh doses of Russian vaccine, and it was ready to use after the successful trial conducted by CDL on 30th of May. So in recent time also, that is on 16th May, we got around 60,000 doses of Sputnik V. According to the Russia, we will be receiving more than 3 million doses of Sputnik by the August this year. So you might be thinking who will be producing this vaccine in India. So let me tell you, RDI and Peniga Biotech have launched the production of Sputnik V in India. The first batch of COVID-19 vaccines is already produced in India in Himachal Pradesh, and it is shipped to Russian Gamaleya Center for Quality Control. As soon as we will be receiving the results of the quality control test, it will be ready for use. Full-scale production is expected to start this summer. While Sputnik V was registered in India under the emergency use authorization process on April 12, 2021, the vaccination against COVID with the Russian vaccine started on May 14th. So you might be thinking whether this Sputnik V is approved by WHO or not. So let me tell you, Sputnik V is not yet approved by WHO, but yes, the process is undergoing for the recognition by WHO. I'll tell you one thing also, more than 60 countries, they have started using Sputnik V, and most of them has received their first batch of vaccine. In India, right now we are using 3 vaccines for COVID-19, that is Sputnik V, Covishield and Covaxin. I'll be making a separate video for all the details related to those vaccines. So in this video, let me give you an overview about the efficacy rates of all the 3 vaccines. So the highest efficacy rate of is Sputnik V, that is 91.6, followed by Covaxin, that is 72 to 73%, followed by Covishield, that is 68 to 69%. So after getting the news of the production and whether it is approved by WHO, you might be thinking what will be the prices and what are the side effects of Sputnik V. So I want to tell you one thing, there are not so many side effects of this vaccine. Like there are mild side effects like headache, fatigue, pain at the injection site and flu-like illness. The price of Sputnik V is decided by the Dr. Reddy's Laboratories in association with Apollo Hospitals, and the price is decided at 1250. Right now, the price at which we are getting from Russia is 948 for a single dose, and if we include 5% GST, the cost of the vaccine is 995.40 paise for a single dose. So hope you guys have liked my video, and if you guys need any other details about the Sputnik V, about the consignment in India, please let me know in my comment section. I will be definitely giving the answer. Please subscribe to my channel and please press the bell icon so that you will be getting the notifications of my videos. Thank you and have a nice day.